Porto Mobility Ranger D09 Lightweight Foldable Weatherproof Exclusive Electric Wheelchair, Portable, Brushless Powerful Motors, Dual Battery, All-Terrain Folding Power Wheelchair, Silver, Standard. This award-winning portable exclusive power wheelchair folds in 3 seconds. It's heavy-duty, super lightweight and compact, only 13 high when folded, can fit in the most compact cars. Both armrest raise up and footrest fold up flush for easy entry and exit. The Ranger with a 400 lb weight capacity and only weighs 50 lbs.No need to install a lift on your car or SUV to transport.High strength aircraft aluminum alloy. Weather-resistant finish, driving the Ranger outside is convenient and simple. Powerful motor and sturdy, world-class real 250W brushless dual motors that have enormous torque and power and will challenge any road type. Climb up any steep hills.Ranger D09 with added Posi-traction features. Different terrains are easy and almost effortless.Will smoothly ride through grass, gravel, mud, dirt, snow and even some sandy surface. Breathable removable seat and back cushions will give you real chair comfort and easy cleaning. Intelligent electromagnetic brake to ensure passenger safety. Side batteries, slide-in dual-side batteries you can pop out quickly if needed when transporting, makes the chair lighter because 8 pounds matter. Lithium-ion, safe, dry, filled up with the highest quality cells. Provides extra distance up to 20 miles. You could go to parks like Disney, drive all day long, and still have much battery left to use. Of course FDA and airline approved. Off-board charge cord is a bonus, allowing you to charge the batteries without the chair as well. Small turning radius of only 32 inches gets around tight areas easily, perfect for indoor use, will fit through any door. It's responsive, no dead spots, excellent steering. The ability to go in all directions with the new 360-degree joystick. Not only can you drive your Ranger wheelchair with just one finger, you can also